The brake pads to be fitted are Brenta. The product code is 8239. I got them from Wemoto, very good site for when you are sourcing parts for your motorcycle. You will need to remove the 2 retaining bolts, but first give the outer a quick clean of loose dirt. After loosening the 2 mounting bolts before removal, loosen the brake pad retaining pin. Inspect the bolts. This one needs replacing. Remove the brake caliper and then remove the old brake pads. Clean and inspect the brake caliper and ensure all moving parts are working. Inspect seals for any leaks or wear. Also check the brake pad retaining plate spring in the center of the caliper is in place. This keeps the brake pads firm in the mounts. Place in the brake pads. Ensure that the forward edge goes into brake pad keep guide. Once both pads are in, secure with brake pad retaining pin. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Once both sides have been changed and job has been completed, check the pads are in place and all bolts are secure and torqued back up.